Hello, today I am at North Petherwin. I'm at Oak Tree Close, number 4, and it's come into the market with 3 double bedrooms, nice view across fields, and it's one of 4 properties on the close, all built around the same sort of time, about 2018. It's got a lovely kitchen, diner, and a very good sized living room as well that leads into the integral garage, where obviously there's parking, and there's also a space for parking in front of the garage too. It's a nice village, about 5 miles from Launceston, so not too far to go for the shops and stuff, and you're on the way to Bude, so even closer to the sea than you are in Launceston itself. So come inside and take a look.